What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dakota for Cactus Computers. Today we have a super fun build going down for our client Adam. Adam lives out in California, so it's something that we do all the time for folks. We offer shipping. If you're looking for a custom build desktop yourself, reach out to us. We'll get a build sheet put together, sent over to you, and then we'll order all the components, put it together, set it up, assemble it, cable manage it, and get it shipped out to you so that you can hop on and do some gaming yourself. Today's gonna be going down just a little bit differently, video format wise. Just me in the studio today. I don't have our filmer Carlos, he's on vacation, so you'll be noticing some of the shots aren't as smooth and Ronin style cinematic, but we'll still put this computer together and show you guys the build process. First things first, let's jump into some components. For today's build, we're gonna be using a X570 by ASUS. Super killer board with the Tough series. Looks really good, has all the Aura Sync lighting. And then we're going to be using a lot of Corsair components as well. You can see we got the 550 watt power supply and liquid cooler, as well as their Vengeance LPX RAM and an MP400 solid state drive. This will be the first time we're using one of these Corsair solid state drives, but should be pretty sweet. And then the elephant in the room, obviously, big old AMD Radeon RX 6800 card paired up with a Ryzen 7 5800X. It's going to be a killer combo as far as performance, and one of the first AMD builds that we're going to be doing on the channel, so that'll be sweet to see the differences in the card. We're so used to doing NVIDIA cards right now with how popular they are. All of this going inside of our NZXT H510 case, one of the most popular cases right now. For this build, it's going to be a nice, simple, clean look with the glass side panel to see all the components inside. And then we have some Noctua fans going in. These are one of the best fans on the market in terms of performance and sound. They do have kind of some odd colors with the grays and the browns. That's why people aren't a big fan of them normally. But performance-wise, they kill it, and I wish they would just adjust their color scheme a little bit. But we're going to give them a shot today in this build and get everything all put together. We got the board fully assembled, ready to go, and we broke out our NZXT H510 case. So next step here is putting in the IO shield that comes with the Tough motherboard. So I'm going to pop that right in this back here from the inside out, and then we'll go ahead and start getting the motherboard installed.
Squishing me, oh me, how they kill me slowly. I've been getting no peace. OD, feel like overdosing, low-key. I've been looking for signs, but all I can find is a sign of the time. From the unknown, I ran away, I don't think I'm coming back home. Whoa, like a crossface, it's a dark place.
Alright guys, got the case coming together fantastic. The power supply that we're using is the Corsair CX550M. My biggest gripe about the CX series that Corsair has though is the sticker that they put on the side. when you have your exhaust fan pointing down like it's supposed to in these cases, the sticker's upside down, which I get it, you're never going to see it's in the back of the case, but still so frustrating to me just as far as like an aesthetics peace of mind that this sticker is completely upside down, and when you're looking at it from the back when you're doing all your cable management, it looks so goofy in there having an upside down label on the side. So what I do is I actually peel this sticker off and flip it and then reapply it, and it will definitely look a lot better. I think this is a common mistake for folks that are putting in their own power supply that may not understand that the exhaust fan needs to be vented through the bottom of the case like this. I see a lot of people flip these power supplies over, have them installed, and it's just not bringing or pushing the air how it's supposed to through the power supply. And just like that, got it flipped, and then we just go back and fully reapply it out. And that looks way better. So we're gonna get this installed as well as some of the other cables that we may need. Get the 24 pin on the motherboard, the CPU and power supply installed, and then we'll be looking good. There you have it, guys. Build is complete. We got the Aorus RX 6800 installed. Looks great in there. Nice big card, and you're going to see here in a minute. Actually, it has a little LCD screen on it. Super rad. Don't see that a whole lot on the graphics cards currently. But let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. We'll get Windows installed, get it all set up, and we'll show you guys how it looks. This one's not going to have any crazy RGB other than the graphics card in here and the motherboard, but still a great looking build with some performance packed in. This thing's going to be killer for gaming, video editing, anything that you throw at it, should handle with no problem at all. Let's take a look. For today's build, guys, we got the GPU removed so that we can safely ship this out to California. Pro tip, if you are shipping your computer for any reason, highly recommend bringing that GPU out of the case and packaging it separately. We have seen them snap at the PCI connector before, so definitely don't want that happening, especially on a new build. But we're going to get this shipped out to our client, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, we make custom build desktop videos all the time. We're going to be doing a bunch of how-tos, tutorials, all that good stuff. So if you want to check out more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on cactuspcaz.com, Instagram, Facebook. Reach out to us and let us know what kind of content you're looking for. But drop a comment. Let us know if you enjoyed today's videos. Smash thumbs up and hit subscribe for us, and we'll see you on the next one.